Hi, I'm Grant. This is Dad Crafted, and this is my unboxing and first use of the Elegoo Mars 2 Pro resin printer, and how I made this little IG-88 dude. All right, let's go. So I'm down here in the new basement workshop, and finally going to try out the Mars 2 resin printer. I've had this thing for like 10 months. I don't really have an excuse. You guys ever get like a new tool that you don't know what to do with and you don't really have a project for and you're kind of scared to use it, so you just let it sit there forever?
Fear is the path to the dark side.
It's pretty much what I did with this, but I found some toy that I probably don't need that I want to print. So let's give this thing a shot. Kids are going to scream in the background, so try and bear with that. This would be an official unboxing, but I did take it out of the box about 9 months ago. As far as I got. Anyway, let's do this. All right, here we go. Official toolkit and user manual. Side here we got whatever that is. Got some Allen wrenches, power cord, probably important. Contraption, gloves, measuring cup, masks. Hope this isn't gonna stink too bad. Make wife mad. What do we got here? Tweezer thingies, micro shear. Plastic scraper, metal scraper, whatever that's supposed to be, and alright, USB dongle thingy. Thought I was gonna have to use my own. We're just gonna follow user manual instructions. Step 1, take the printer out carefully. Sure. Take off the plastic film. Step 1, peel off the plastic before printing. Connect the power cable to the printer and power supply. Step 3, please insert the build platform, fasten the rotary knob, and loosen the screws. Oh, this is maybe the point where I have to power it on to move that up or something. Menu. What do we hit here? System. Touchscreen calibrate. Not tools. Manual. That's probably right. 10 millimeters. Let's keep doing that.
5 hours later.
Alright, gonna insert this guy. Turn the knob. Okay, that's in there. Loose the screws. Remove the resin tank and put an A4 paper between the build platform and 2K LCD screen and click Move Z-axis to 0. Okay, a quick Google search revealed that A4 paper is just paper. So we're going to use this to try and level this. Let's go home. Set this position on Z as 0. Now we're going to wrench it down. Probably good. I mean, I think we're too tight. If there is no resistance, there's definitely resistance.
It's the resistance.
If the paper cannot be pulled out, then you should click to rise the Z-axis 0.1. Ah, look at that. So we got, I mean, this was my PLA 3D printer, I'd be pretty happy. Back. And there's set Z equals 0 in the upper right. Push that. Confirm. So we're going to slide him in. And we're going to tighten these knobs in place. Then we're up to step 8. Test the UV lights by pressing the tool and exposure. Oh no, 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 no. Stop. Man, panic.
Little close there, buddy!
Exposure. Next. Oh, fancy. Elegoo technology. That means we're perfect. Okay. Apparently, this thing that I didn't know it was. This is the silicone rubber seal. So we're gonna put that around the bottom lip. Alright, so now this thing says it's time to do a test print, which apparently there's one already loaded on here, but test prints are stupid. So let's move to the other computer and try to find something that's actually cool and maybe worth our time. Alright, welcome to the office. So this is Chitubox, or Chitubox, or however you pronounce it. This is the software that Elegoo says to use on their website. It's free. I found this guy on Thingiverse. It's an IG88. I'll zoom in here in a second, but basically I've got him all modeled and I've played around with the settings and pretty much making him the same exact size as a 3.5-inch Star Wars action figure. Seems legit, right? So now I'm just going to click slice and hope my computer doesn't crash. Oh. So apparently in about 7 hours, we'll have this guy done. Yikes.
The next morning.
All right, we're back. It's the next day. I decided not to print last night because this is going to take longer than I hoped it would, and I was going to go to bed, so I didn't want it to finish and sit on the build plate all night. So we're going to start now. Hopefully it'll be done this afternoon, early evening, and we'll be able to get it all cleaned up. But here we go. Let's see. Let's give us some room here. And then I think we're ready to pour in some resin. 1/3 the level of the tank. And there's a little max. Whoa. Is that why they said to wear a mask?
What an incredible smell you've discovered!
Pour that black goodness in there. If you found that resin is not enough to complete the model during printing, you can press pause and add more resin into the tank and then press print to continue printing. Man, it smells great. But I think it's pretty much go time, right? Back. Print. It's helped by maybe put the USB thing in. Put that guy in there. Like that. Print on the right. Ooh, there's IG88, and you can even see the model. That's kind of neat. Hit that. And the play button, I suppose. And we are moving down. Go time. I don't really see any lights. Can't tell if they're operational, but it acts like it's doing something. The plate went all the way over top of the resin. Assuming that's normal. And it says 1%, so I assume it's doing something. We'll come back and check in a little bit.
Later.
Alright guys, it's 13% in. So far, all I can really tell is the thing is moving up and down. Kind of goes up, goes back into the resin pool, goes back up. Pretty boring so far. Check back later.
Moments later.
31. Oh. This is way less exciting than I thought it would be.
More moments later.
Yeah, check that out. You can see the supports. part of the model. So I think it's officially working.
2 hours later.
70%. Boom. Nope. Kids are fighting.
2 hours later.
Alright, guys. We are done. There's IG-88 in all its glory. Let's get him out of there. First. God, look at that. And that. It doesn't even look like it used any resin. Look at that pool of resin still left. Like, I didn't even get close to the max line when I filled it. I feel like, look at little IG. Looking glorious. Got some Tupperware. I'm just gonna set them in there. 91% isopropyl alcohol. We're gonna give him a bath. Let's get him off without destroying him. Wow. He looks so fragile. I don't really know how to get him off there. Oh, that's working. Scraping him off. This gun is the fragile point. Since this isn't cured. Oh boy. Nope. You're okay. Nice and easy. Ow! My beautiful boy. All right. There he is. Tons of support. Man, he looks awesome though. The detail is so crazy. Look at that guy. All right, we're gonna soak him, wash off, give him his little isopropyl alcohol bath. I still gotta cure him, and I don't want him to fall over. But he's really, really small, so I think I'm just gonna cut away some of the supports and cure him, and then we'll cut away these other ones later. We will use this alcohol paper towels to clean all this up after we pour excess resin back in the bottle with one of these funnels they gave us. Hopefully. Carefully. So it's a very fragile blaster rifle. I feel like we could have made you so much bigger next time. Gonna put little man right there. On over him. Add some time. I don't know, 2.5 minutes. There we go. Oh my. Look at him go. This is so cool. I don't even know what's happening, but this is cool. I'm gonna take one of these. This is supposed to be a funnel. Oh yeah. Mesh funnel. And then we're going to take our resin bottle, stick that in there. What are the chances I spill?
It's high. Let's get going. It's very high.
Oh, Billy. Am I spilling? I'm spilling. I am totally spilling. This isn't fun. It's like I need a second funnel. What a freaking mess. We're learning. This is a learning process. Let's see if my beautiful boy got cured. I think he did. Should I let him go a little longer? Go. This is cool. Looks cool to see him all lit up. Smells like a doctor's office in here. Take you out. It's pretty detailed, guys. All right, so there we go. There's the review of the Mars 2 Pro and this little guy, little IG-88, or maybe he's IG-11. Either way, this is freaking awesome. I mean, look at this thing.
You know, sometimes I amaze even myself.
The amount of detail that this thing can print with, and this is a 3.5-inch or less figure. This is crazy. Like the potential that that I have in my little shop that I can just make. I mean, honestly, whatever little Star Wars toy I want to. This is insane. Like, I'm so stoked for what's to come here, so.
Excitement. Did I crave not these things?
Other than some things to figure out about cleanup and, you know, getting leftover resin back in the tube, you know, we'll work all that out. We'll be fine. I'm definitely amazed at the ease of use of this thing. Like, I was so nervous to use this for so long that I thought it was going to be so complicated, and it's literally like, turn it on, do a little bit of leveling with the buttons, pour some resin in there, and hit go, and boom. Like, look at this thing. Crazy. So anyway, if you've been considering getting one of these, I would do it. I'm not sponsored by these guys, but this machine's amazing. Follow along if you want to see some more fun builds that we're going to do in the future with this thing. And of course, in the wood shop and with the other 3D printers and all the other stuff we do around here. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.